Today we're practicing Balasana or Utthita Balasana, child's pose or child's pose with extended arms. They both have different benefits, and you can find the benefits of these postures in the descriptions below. Before we begin, as usual, let's just take a couple of breaths in a seated posture to come into this present moment, inhaling and exhaling. If it's not comfortable for you today to sit on your heels, grab a block, place it underneath your hips, your hands on your upper legs. Spine is nice and long, and relax your neck, taking a couple of breaths here. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. I personally feel more comfortable without the block, so see how it feels for you with or without the block for your hips and your legs and your heels. Stay here for a few breaths. When you're ready, let's move on to all fours. Feet are hip width distance apart. Knees right underneath the hips. But place your hands just a bit further than your shoulders here. Bring your toes together and open your knees to the side. And slowly bring your hips down to your heels. Your forehead onto the mat. Arms are extended. And relax completely. Each inhale, feel your spine expanding, and each exhale, you're getting closer to the mat. If your neck is not comfortable, grab a block and place it underneath your forehead. You can choose the height that's more comfortable for you, for your neck. And just listen to your body. Be present in this moment in your body in order to completely relax. Inhaling through the nose. Gentle exhale through the nose. Deepening your breath. Let the floor fully support you. If the mind is busy, just keep coming back to the feeling of your breath. Keep the hips heavy, resting back toward the heels. Alright, slowly let's come back to our tabletop. And this time we're going to go into Balasana, so the child's pose, which is a more relaxing posture, asana, than the extended arms version. This time we want to bring our hands right underneath our shoulders, and we want to bring our knees closer to each other, so the feet and the knees are hip width distance apart this time. When you find your perfect tabletop, just bring your hips down to your heels. Your forehead is coming down. Place the forearms onto the mat and relax. Take your arms back behind you, behind your hips. Deepening your breath. Remember, if your neck is not comfortable or you feel any tension, you can always grab the block and place it right underneath your forehead. I personally feel more comfortable without the block. Ignore me trying to move the fly out of my face and simply breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the nose. Each exhale is a quiet clearing, creating space for what comes next. Remember, this phase of the moon is about release, letting the unnecessary fall away. Notice what's ready to be let go of. No judgment, just awareness. And stay here as long as you need. Only when you're ready, slowly come out of this posture. You can stay in meditation. You can practice breathing with one of the videos of Yellow Reset suggested for the month. Or you can just leave your mat and continue your day or your evening.